video. So here I will share with you what is actually inertia. Let me give you two different situations. The first one is, do you guys ever observe when we stop pushing a box across a floor, the box will stop moving? Meanwhile, a ball will keep moving after we let it go even though we are not pushing it anymore. So, at your point of view, how these two situations can be happening?
This kind of thing happened because the Newton's first law has applied on it. The definition of inertia. This is Newton's first law, which is often called the law of inertia. Every object continues in its state of rest or of uniform velocity in a straight line as long as no net force acts on it.
Applications of inertia is, as you can see in this video, when the sauce bottle is shaken rapidly and suddenly stopped, the sauce can flow out easily because the existence of inertia.
The situation given, if a box is pulled out very quickly from the middle of a pile of books, the books above it will drop instead of moving along with it. The inertia of the books above keeps them in their original position. If the books is pulled out quickly, the books above it will drop due to gravity.
When the paper is being pulled, the toy car falls down into the cup. The inertia of the car keeps the position of the car from following the direction of the paper. This situation obeys Newton's first law of motion, which states that an object will remain at rest or move at a constant velocity if no external force acts on it. Here are the examples of the situation stated above.
For the last example of inertia is about inertia of rest. Let's take a bus ride to understand this better. As the bus starts to move, your head is pushed backward. Let us see why this happened. Explanation that we got from the video is, when the bus was stationary, your body was at rest. When the bus started moving, your feet, which touched the floor of the bus, started moving simultaneously. But your head exhibited a type of inertia called inertia of rest. Inertia of rest is tendency of an object to continue in its state of rest. So now let us do a quick recap about inertia. Inertia is the tendency of an object to resist change in its state of rest or motion unless acted upon by a force. In the previous video, we had taken a look for some example of inertia.